Hi guys, and welcome to another replay of me and a destroyer. This time it's a Russian destroyer, it's the Tier 4. No, I'm not going to pronounce the name because I can't. But yeah, Russian destroyer, Tier 4. So those of you who have been watching my videos on my channel will know that I kind of like this destroyer. I still have it, although I unlocked the Tier 5 months and months ago. I have a review of this thing somewhere. If you're interested, I suggest you go and find it. But for now, just enjoy this. Well, actually during the review I had a fairly good replay where I think I scored 4 kills. But not to spoil too much, this is going to be better. So sit back and enjoy. Well, anyways, on this map I'm going down here where the destroyers normally go to kill each other, because, well, that's what we do. There are only 2 enemy destroyers, so chances of them being here maybe not the greatest. Well, there are some planes. Yeah, they just detected me, so obviously not good. But well, hopefully no one is close enough. I'm not shooting at this guy because he's at the range, or maximum range of my guns. I turned on my AA just in case. Might as well. This guy I should be shooting at. Maybe a destroyer. Not sure. It is. Shooting at me, so yeah, his torpedoes. That just missed. That did not miss. Oh well, missed the torpedo and, well, almost. Well, I took a hit from whoever that was. Another one. Set on fire, lost a gun. I'm not off to a good start, I have to be quite honest. Anyways, there's a cruiser, and he's very, very close. But anyways, let's open up with guns. I got the kill, but not doing much damage to that guy. I'm not sure who that was. Friend over there with the torpedoes. I popped my smoke here because crews are that close. That's normally unhealthy. Still shooting at planes. I actually managed to shoot down one already. Yeah. That's a surprise. Destroyers of this tier, not known for shooting down planes of any kind. Well, apparently you can if they circle around you long enough. Anyways, here's a Tier 3 St. Louis. He's on fire already. And I'm spotted, my smoke screen disappeared, I think. I moved out of it, out of the way. But this guy is busy with that battleship there. I kind of thought at this time that the battleship would ram the St. Louis, but he doesn't. That battleship is also under fire from probably at least 2 other ships based on those shots coming in. So I'm helping him the best I can. The battleship is on fire, the St. Louis is on fire. That's always good. And hopefully he's gonna kill. I got the kill. So now I have 2 kills. So that's nice. Ooh, there's a Phoenix out there. Almost no hit points. So I'm basically trying to ninja this kill. Not that anyone else is shooting at him. They just missed. Come on, 2000 damage and also missed. Sadly there's a destroyer. Needs to die because he's close, and I'm sure there will be incoming torpedoes. Oh well, that was a good hit. There's 2000, and he did more or less the same to me. Could have been better, he missed with his torpedoes. And someone else missed. Anyways, I'm going to go around the island here to hopefully kill this guy. He's He's got more hit points than I do, so that's the bad part. Well, he just took a hit. Well, he still has a few more, but he turned around. The torpedoes have reloaded. That's one of the things I like about this one. It reloads real quick. There he is. I guess I could launch torpedoes, but I'd rather just fire the guns. He's turning around from smoke. I decided to launch torpedoes anyway. So there he is. Now I'm gonna turn. Those torpedoes might be coming, but anyways, he died. So kill number 3. Yeah, ships down there. There's that Phoenix from before. 1300 hit points. And he's a bit too far away. There are some battleships closer, so they're not shooting at me, so I'm taking advantage here. I am more or less the closest guy to them, so it's just a matter of time before they start shooting at me. Well, I'm not sure why, but I decided to play this aggressively, which can be dangerous. And now they're shooting at me. Just spotted. I should have set that guy on fire. That would be nice. Speaking of, there's the fire. So now he gets to burn. And there's that cruiser, Phoenix. So let's put 2 shots out there so we can kill him. I think he took an interest in me. They just missed. Bad. Come on, come on. One hit, 300 hit points out. Hit him again. Hit him again! And he survived. But he's on fire. 11 hit points. Dead. So, kill number 4. So far so good. We are winning. He kills 3 of ours. We kill, 6 of theirs. And we got 4 of those kills. So, that's nice. So there's a battleship. He's not shooting at me just yet. Boom. That's like 1000 hit points, so he is shooting armor piercing. So it's good. But now this guy turned his attention to me. The range for the torpedoes on this thing, 5 kilometers. So I could launch them now, but this guy is turning. So, but since he's turning, he won't be able to shoot at me. So he's turning that way, the border, I launch in front of him, which means he should be sailing into them, hopefully. I do have one more launcher, but I'm saving it for now, because I want to get closer. So I'll basically just follow these torpedoes in. And there we go, the last 3 torpedoes. But he's still turning, not sure why. Should know that torpedoes are coming, but then again, 1, 2, that's 10,000, and those 3 are going to miss. Yeah, that just missed. But I have reloaded, so swinging it around. Less than a kilometer. Yeah, can't really miss this thing. But he survived. He's still alive. But well, we have more. Let's go for the reload on this thing. And that was kill number 5.
Enemy battleship destroyed.
And I got a total of 9 torpedo hits. Got the Kraken. That's nice. But there's still more targets. Luckily my smoke is going to come off the cooldown. I need it because the cruiser who really doesn't like me here. For good reason, set that battleship on fire. It's nice. I'm switching to the cruiser because right now he's my biggest problem. And I popped my smoke again. So I'm going to park here in the smoke and basically just free shot this guy. He's burning. The guns are really quick. So I'm eating his hit points. Someone else was shooting him, but he's trying to hit me here in the smoke, but my aim is off. Too short. But just to that. He was quick. So, what about the hit point? Probably. Kill number 6. So, there's another battleship and a carrier. And it takes, I guess, a bit of stay and smoke a bit longer, but yeah. I want to get close to this guy. I set him on fire, but I need to get close enough to launch some torpedoes. He has some incoming torpedoes there. I think that's poorly aimed. No, that was after the carrier, who ate 2 of them. So now he's on very low health. So I switch targets to this guy because, well, I want to take him out. And now that battleship wants to take me out. Just hit me. Come on, torpedoes, torpedoes. Where are you? There we go. And he's turning. Very low health in secondaries. So I just want to kill this guy before I go swimming. One more hit, and that should be about it. There we go. Torpedoes, torpedoes. That was not a good aim on my part. Only I had aimed that a little better. I would have killed this guy as well. Boom. Died. But well, a respectable game. Those 2 battleships left. This guy is one of them. So, grand total of 7 kills. I did say this would be a better replay than the other one, and I'm politely asking my team to take out the rest of them, which should be very simple. That battleship there in front of me has almost no hit points left, so. And there are 4 guys that are shooting at him. And that's it. Okay, so let's take a look at the results. I scored almost 190,000 credits, 5,500 experience. There are some multipliers in that. I got the Kraken, so that's nice. 169 hits with guns, can't complain about that. 13 torpedo hits. That is respectable. And not sure how, but I managed to shoot down 2 planes in a tier 4 destroyer. Yeah. Oh well, so I got the 7 kills. This isn't my best game overall in terms of kills, but it's the second best actually. Set 8 fires, caused flooding twice, so that is a respectable game. Okay, so if we take a look at the 2 teams, it was a tier 5 game, and that being said, we have a tier 2 on our team. Yeah, not sure what to say about that, but anyways, I finished first, not surprisingly, with 1,700 base experience. That is about 700 better than number 2. Not that the team did poorly. I mean, the worst guy, and that wasn't the tier 2, got 546. And the Chester got more than 600, almost 700, so that's pretty neat. He almost got more than the best on the enemy team. That being said, that Congo did have a pretty nice game. He got 3 kills. Too bad he had to lose. So, those are the 2 teams. And finally, let's take a look at the damage done. I did not fire any armor-piercing shells for good reason. With my HE of those 169 hits, I managed to do, yeah, let's just call it 35,000 damage. The fires I set, a little bit more than 11,000, and flooding, yeah, well, 500, who cares? And I launched 48 torpedoes, 13 hit, and they did, yeah, okay, we call that 61,000 damage. So that's more than 100,000 damage total. So this has to be the best game I've ever played in this destroyer. And well, I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, bye bye.